brighter weather. Indeed, a lot of clouds still showing on the satellite pictures. A distinct back edge to this area of cloud here, though, shows that where we've got a weather front. Now that's moving up our way in towards the southwest, and if we look at the local southwest radar, we can see the wet weather pushing in across the Isles of Scilly through the Penzance area and up towards Padstow a little further on right now. That rain could be heavy and even thundery for a time across the southwest, Wales and into Northern Ireland over the next few hours. After that weather front is going to weaken, so the rain will become lighter and patchier across southwest Scotland, down through Wales, maybe the Midlands and in towards the south coast of England there. A lot of cloud hanging around generally, and that may be enough to bring, well, 1 or 2 spots of drizzle near the east coast. It's only down the spine of the country we may see 1 or 2 spots hitting the temperature as low as 3 or 4 Celsius. Mainly still too much breeze for temperatures to drop too low, although down across the southwest here it will be mild, but the wind will finally begin to ease if only a touch later in the night. So we've got 2 weather fronts queuing up for us in time for Friday. This first one, the one that brings the rain tonight, will be a weakening affair as it comes up against the high pressure. This second one will bring more rain later on in the day in the west. Now, it looks like it's going to be another rather grey morning for most regions, perhaps just a little bit of brightness across parts of southeast England for a time, 1 or 2 spots of rain and drizzle about. And perhaps in the middle part of the day, brighter and drier in Northern Ireland, 1 or 2 showers down from Wales in towards the southwest and the Isle of Wight there. And then more of that wet weather gathering across these western areas in the afternoon. And this looks set to be, well, rather more prolonged and generally more widespread for later in the day. Eastern areas then seeing the drier but the colder of the weather. Temperatures on the east coast only 8 or 9. That wind will make it feel cold again. Temperatures in the west about 12 degrees, but still with some rather blustery winds. Windy weather swinging in our way for the weekend too. This big weather system bringing very mild, wet weather, which will clear away only slowly later on Sunday. So it looks like it being mild, wet and windy, with most of the heavier rain coming in into the west later on Saturday and in the east on Sunday, with a change to